is a man that's truly worth waiting for. And though it may take some time to trust that he really is as great as he seems, and it treats you just like you deserve, you begin to realize that yes, this is the man. And you know, just like you're worth all the love he has for you, honey, he's worth all the love you have for him. Every last drop. I can't fool myself, I don't want nobody else to ever love me. You are my shining star, my guiding light, my love fantasy. There's not a minute, hour, day or night that I don't love you. You're at the top of my list, cause I'm always thinking of you. I still remember in the days when I was scared to touch you, how I spent my day dreaming, planning how to say I love you. You must have known that I had feelings deep enough to swim in. That's when you opened up your heart and you told me to come on. Kisses from you is never too much, and I just don't wanna stop. Oh my love, a million days in your arms is never too much, and I just don't wanna stop. Too much, never too much, never too much, never too much. Picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted. I hung up the phone, I can't be too late. The boss is so demanding. Opened the door up, and to my surprise, there you were standing. Who needs to go to work to hustle for another dollar? I'd rather be with you. You make my heart scream and holler. Love is a gamble, and I'm so glad that I am winning. You've